and welcome friends. Welcome to this video on classification of fatty acids. Fatty acids are classified by different ways. First, depending on their hydrocarbon chain types. Second, depending upon the hydrocarbon chain length, based on the total number of carbon atoms, depending on the nature of hydrocarbon chain, and finally the omega classification. So let's see them one by one. Based on the hydrocarbon chain types, first, straight chain fatty acids. The fatty acids in which carbons or hydrocarbons are arranged linearly. They are further subdivided as saturated and unsaturated depending on the nature of hydrocarbon chain, that is, the presence or absence of carbon-carbon double bonds. In saturated fatty acids, carbon-carbon double bond is absent. Example, palmitic acid, 16:0. Unsaturated fatty acids contain one or more carbon-carbon double bond. Example, oleic acid, 18:1. Second, branched chain fatty acids. A branch, example, a methyl branch, is present in the hydrocarbon chain. These are less abundant than straight chain fatty acids in animals and plants. Example, isovaleric acid, which is a metabolic intermediate. Example, you can see over here, a methyl branch is present. Substituted fatty acids. In these fatty acids, one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by another group. They are substituted by some other group. Example, ricinoleic acid of castor oil. Hydrogen atom at 12th position is replaced by a hydroxyl group, as you can see over here. Cyclic fatty acids. These fatty acids bear a cyclic group. These are present in some bacteria and seed lipids. Example, cholmogric acid of cholmogra seeds. You can see over here the cyclic structure. Then, classification of fatty acid based on the hydrocarbon chain length. First in that is short chain fatty acid. These fatty acids have a shorter 2 to 6 carbon hydrocarbon chain. Example, butyric acid. Medium chain fatty acids. These fatty acids have an intermediate or 8 to 14 carbon hydrocarbon chain. Example, capric acid, 10 carbon containing fatty acid. Then, long chain fatty acid. These fatty acids have a long 16 to 24 carbon hydrocarbon chain. Example, palmitic acid, 16:0. And very long chain fatty acids. These fatty acids have a very long 24 or more than 24 carbon hydrocarbon chain. Example, cerebronic acid, 24 carbon containing fatty acid. Then, classification of fatty acids based on the number of carbon atoms as odd and even chain fatty acids. First, odd chain fatty acids. These fatty acids have an odd number of carbon atoms. Example, propionic acid, 3:0. Even chain fatty acids. These fatty acids have an even number of carbon atoms. Example, caproic acid. Classification of fatty acid based on the nature of hydrocarbon chain, that is, the presence or absence of carbon-carbon double bonds. First, saturated fatty acids. These fatty acids don't have a carbon-carbon double bond in their hydrocarbon chain. Example, lauric acid, 12:0. Unsaturated fatty acids. These fatty acids have one or more carbon-carbon double bonds in their hydrocarbon chain. Example, linoleic acid, 18:2. The unsaturated fatty acids are subclassified according to the number of carbon-carbon double bonds as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. First, monoenoic or monounsaturated fatty acids or MUFAs contain one carbon-carbon double bond. Example, oleic acid. Polyenoic or polyunsaturated fatty acids or PUFAs, they contain two or more carbon-carbon double bonds. Example, linoleic acid, 18:3. Then the classification based on the position of carbon-carbon double bonds from the omega end or the methyl end, that is omega classification. Omega-3 fatty acids. In these fatty acids, the first carbon-carbon double bond is present between omega-3 and omega-4 carbon atoms in their hydrocarbon chain. Example, linoleic acid, 18:3. Omega-6 fatty acids. In these fatty acids, the first carbon-carbon double bond is present between omega-6 and omega-7 carbon atoms in their hydrocarbon chains. Example, linoleic acid, 18:2. Omega-9 fatty acids. In these fatty acids, the first carbon-carbon double bond is present between omega-9 and omega-10 carbon atoms in their hydrocarbon chains. Example, oleic acid, 18:1. Friends, please remember that fatty acids have been numbered from two ends. The delta numbering or the classical numbering starts from the carboxylic end. It's also alpha, beta, gamma, delta. And omega numbering starts from the omega end or the methyl end. Let us quickly summarize the classification of fatty acids. Fatty acids are classified depending on the hydrocarbon chain types, based on their hydrocarbon chain length, depending upon the total number of carbon atoms, nature of hydrocarbon chain, and omega classification. Based on hydrocarbon chain types as straight chain, branched chain, substituted, and cyclic. Based on their chain length as short chain fatty acids, medium chain fatty acids, and long chain fatty acids. Depending upon the total number of carbon atoms as odd chain and even chain fatty acids. Based on the nature, saturated and unsaturated, and finally depending upon the presence of double bond from the omega end as omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. A simple mnemonic to remember this: the lovely nature never offends. TLNNO. Each first alphabet stands for types of hydrocarbon chain, length of the hydrocarbon chain, numbers of the carbon atoms, nature of the hydrocarbon chain, and finally the omega classification. So types, length, number, nature, omega. The lovely nature never offends. I am thankful to all these resources for making this video possible. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Be happy, healthy, and stay safe. Thank you so much.